We are going to solve the numerical based in oblique impact. So the question is the magnitude and direction of the velocities of two smooth ball A and B before the strike each other are shown in figure. Assuming the coefficient of restitution E is equal to 0.75, determine the magnitude and direction of the velocity of each ball after the impact. So ball A को मास कति छ 10 kg छ and ball B को mass 2 kg छ. So this n is a line of impact and this block A मा चाहिँ velocity line of impact सँग कति छ 45 डिग्री छ and block B को केसमा चाहिँ 30 डिग्री छ. So फर्स्ट मा एउटा सिम्पली फिगर हेरौँ जसमा चाहिँ टेन्जेन्शियल कम्पोनेन्ट र नर्मल कम्पोनेन्ट चाहिँ सो गरेको होस्. So roughly यो हाम्रो फिगर भयो. So this is a line of impact and this is a tangential and BA makes 45 degree with line of impact and B makes angle 30 degree with a line of impact. So the tangential component of sphere B is BB T. This is sine 30 degree and normal component is BB N cos of 30 degree. And in case of A, the normal component is BAN. So this is cos of 45 degree and tangential is BA sine 45 degree. So this is BAT. Now this is the simple figure where हामीले चाहिँ त्यहाँ के सो गरेका छौं टेन्जेन्शियल एन्ड नर्मल कम्पोनेन्टहरु सो गरेका छौं. Now we know in case of oblique impact the tangential component of velocity is conserved. That means tangential component of velocity is conserved. That means let's BAT is equal to B dash AT. That means initial velocity is equal to final velocity. So this is taking upward as a positive. This is BA is 3 sine 45 degree. So this gonna be 3 sine 45 degree. So this is 2.12 meter per second. And also BB T is equal to B dash B T is equal to this is minus 12 sine 30. So this is minus 6 meter per second. Now using a conservation of linear momentum in case of normal component of velocities. So that means MABA n plus MB BB n is equal to MA B dash A n plus MB B dash B n, or MA is a 10 and BAN is 3 cos 45 degree plus MB is 2 into BBN is minus of 12 cos 30 degree equal to MA is 10 BA dash n plus 2 BB dash n, or this is cos 45 degree. So this is 21.21 minus 12 cos 30 into 2, right? So this is 20.784 is equal to 10 B dash A n plus 2 B dash B n, or this gonna be 21.21 minus 20.484784. So this is 0.426 is equal to 10 B A dash n plus 2 B dash B n, or this is 5 B dash A n plus B dash B n is equal to 0.426 divided by 2. So this is 0.213. So this is equation number 1. Now coefficient of restitution E is equal to, we know, B dash n minus B dash A n upon B A minus B B n. So this implies E is a 0.75 is equal to B dash B n minus B dash A n upon B A n is how much? B A n is 3 cos 45. So this is 2.12 minus BBN is, so BBN is 12 cos 30, right? So this is 10.39, or this is minus 2.12 into 0.75. So this is minus 6.204 is equal to B dash B n minus B dash A n. So this is equation number 2. 2 we get equation number 2 is B dash B n minus B dash A is equal to minus 6.04, and 1 is 5 B dash A n plus B dash B n is equal to 0.213. So this is equation number 1. Now subtracting equation first by second, we get so this gonna be minus, and this gonna be minus, and this gonna be minus. So this and this is cancelled out. So minus 6 B dash A n is equal to, so this is minus 6.204 plus 0.213. So this is 6.417. So B dash A n is divided by 6, 1.0695 meter per second, and B dash B n is equal to minus 6.204 plus B dash is 1.0695. So this is 6.204 minus 1.0695. So this is minus 5.13 meter per second. So this is a normal component of the final velocity of A and B. Now we have to find the direction of velocity of each ball. So we have a B dash A t is equal to 2.12 meter per second, and b dash t is equal to minus 6 meter per second. So theta 1 is equal to tan inverse b dash a t upon b dash a n. So this is tan inverse 1.0 tan inverse 2.12 upon 1.0695. so this gonna be 2.12 divided by 1.0695. This is tan inverse answer. So this is 63.229 degree, and theta 2 is tan inverse b dash b t upon b dash b n. So this is tan inverse b dash b t is how much, minus 6, so 6 magnitude, and this is 5.13. so this gonna be 6 tan inverse 6 divided by 5.13, 49.469 degree. So this is the required answer. So that's why we solve this problem.